Hi everyone, as promised, this is the part 2 of the hand crank generator, and yeah, we're gonna have a go at it. Yep. Okay, so what I've basically done from the last video is that I've upgraded the motor to a 12 volt DC motor, but hand spinning it only gives me about 2 volts to 2 to 3 volts maximum, you know? And what I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys right now is that I'm gonna hand crank it, hand spin it like this, and then the LED is gonna light up and it's gonna charge my Samsung. Yep. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so now I've finished. Still works really good. And yeah, I'm gonna do some soldering. I'm gonna solder this bar and piece into here, and then I'm gonna attach this thing onto here, and that's how I'm gonna spin it. Yep. And I'm gonna solder some other stuff, of course. Yep, that's it. Alright, so that metal piece of wire I got from this clothes hanger, and now we're about to do some soldering. Yep. Not sure if this will even work, but I'm gonna add hot glue later just as a reinforcement. Guys, so it's a mess over here, I know, but that's pretty much it. Not the most efficient system, but it generates electricity, and basically the concept is that spinning motor is a generator, and this pretty much proves it. The LED is definitely the coolest. The LED lighting up is pretty cool. The faster you spin it, and the brighter it lights up, so that's proof of something. Proof that harder you spin, the more voltage you produce. But I might put an aluminum foil, but that's about it. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I might have another video next week, so definitely stay tuned. Thanks guys.